welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope that you like the video and I hope that you will soon subscribe, if not today, in the future. I am Asia Kamira. If you are one of my returning subscribers, welcome back. I do have a little phlegm, but I'm not sick, so don't worry, I'm not sick. I thought it would be a good idea to go ahead and show you how I install my lace front. That's why it's up right now. I did install it yesterday, but it was a little too far up or forward. So I loosened it. I did sew some hair in. So I loosened it and I'm going to push it back a little bit and then I'm going to sew. And plus I have a little space there. I'm just going to sew it back a little bit further, which is good that I have a space there because, you know, for adjusting purposes. So if you would like to see how I install my lace, just keep watching. All right, so I adjusted my camera so you guys could have some better lighting. This unit is from my collection of my hair line that I'm starting, or that I just started. And I think it looks pretty good. I did like rip it a little bit there, but who cares? The hair looks like good quality. I've already worn this. I wore this for a month, so I got it around the time of my birthday, which was February 10th. And today is April 1st. Oh my gosh, today is April Fool's Day. Wow, I'm filming on April Fool's Day. But so yeah, this I've had it for a minute now, and I wore it for a good like month and a half. Let it rest for about 2 weeks, and now I'm putting it back in. Yeah, I'll show you. It's really good hair. I'm not just saying that to make sales or anything, but it is some good hair. Like, you can tell the quality of it. And yeah, it has some glue and I don't feel like taking it off, so we're gonna thug it out. All right, so I don't like to wear the caps because they don't work for me. They usually end up sticking out right here, folding or rolling. So I seen like a few other girls on YouTube don't use caps either, so I was like, if they don't use a cap, I don't need to use a cap. And it's been working for me, so that's what I'm doing without the cap. So I'm gonna just take some glue here, and in the first few steps I need to roll this back so that it doesn't touch it. But on the first like 2 layers, you don't really need to worry about how the glue is on your head. Like, I start doing it in sections once I'm ready to glue it down. So because I'm not doing it in sections right now, I'm just gonna put it all the way around my hairline. And I'm trying not to get it like in the hair, but just close to the hair. So like this, like it's there, but it's not in the hair. Okay, now it might be in the hair, but catch my drift. Let's see. My stomach's growling. My sideburns I don't care too much about because I don't like them anyway, so I will put glue on the sideburns. Slick them back. And I am using this Got2b. I got a small one because I had a large one, but I didn't use it much because I wasn't wearing lace fronts or anything. So I've had it for a few years, and I didn't know if it was that was causing it to like get flaky, or the way I was using it. I was spraying Got2b with it, and I was using high heat, so I'm doing like this trial and error type thing. And so I got this newer one just to see. And I wanted to get a little one so I don't waste my money. But yeah, my wig, or not my wig, but my lace front was looking real good. And then I realized this is way too far up. It wasn't too far up. It was just a little too far up. And I'm like, no, your girl cannot go out looking like this. Not out, but like go out. You know how they say I can't go out like that? I can't go out like that. Anyway, I low heat it, and then in there. So, and then when I feel that it's not like cool anymore on my head, I add another layer. So I'll be right back. Alright, next, so just take a wipe and clean that comb off, because you don't want any tacky like white residue. Then you go in with another layer. And just do thin layers. If you get a little in the hair, it's okay. As long as you don't glue it down, like glue the cap to the hair. Or glue the lace to the hair. And even if you do it this way, the method that I use, it's easier to get the hair up and off because you're not using like a bunch of product. Like it's on good, but once you wet it, it'll come right off. Alright, so this next layer is the third layer, and sometimes I do 4. I think today I'm still going to do 4. So we're going to do 1 repeat round. Add a layer. Don't mind my little, I scratched myself right there. Don't know how, but I think it was one of those times I was just like moving too fast. And I just okay. Low heat until it feels like not cool anymore and then tacky. So a little more dry and tacky. And don't worry about like this. You're gonna be able to like wipe it off once you set the lace in place. Okay, so this next step is a little different. You want to focus, getting a little white, on, let's say about like here to here. And this is where you're gonna focus, gluing your hair down. Go ahead and wipe your comb off, because you're gonna use this to help lay the lace into the glue. So on low heat. This time we're just gonna wait till it's tacky. And you want to not touch this if possible, because that will cause it to be like white. Okay. So kind of try to match, if you can see, the hairlines up. Keep your hair pulled back. Low heat again. What we don't want is the hair like stuck here, so I'm just gonna put a little mousse, just a little, and like comb it back. Last thing you want is the hair stuck to the lace. It's not gonna sit properly. I'm trying to get it on the lace, you just want to get it on the hair as close to the root as possible, because the lace will lift. Then I just take a little of my got2b and then comb it back. You don't want it to get hard, because you do want it to be out of your way. Now I'm just like pulling the lace down against the skin. Always remember to wipe the comb off. You never want to get glue on your hair. So carefully place it. There's a little area where I see I need some glue right here in the front. And it's okay to get it a little in front of the lace, because you're going to clean that up in the end. Alright, I'm going to do this other side off camera. I'm going to pull it back and sew it, and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so I am back and I am done. I finished laying it down, I finished cleaning it up, and this is the finished product, the finished look. I sewed the rest of the hair in, and I told y'all it's good hair, and it lasts. It's very pretty, and I'm feeling it, y'all. Feeling myself. Just wait till I do my makeup, you know? We all know that feeling when you do your hair and your makeup and you just like feeling bomb. I am going to put a little mousse to kind of help it lay a little better. But other than that, Laying flat. Looking nice and natural. If you have any questions or any more types of videos that you would like for me to post, leave your ideas in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to receive post notifications every single time I post. All right, thank y'all for watching.